Thank you for attending Member Mapping and How to Import Shapefiles. My name is Tony Schmidt, and I'll be here to guide you through this presentation. If at any time you have any questions about the presentation, you can contact Member Services by calling 1-800-309-8289, extension 1, or by emailing membersupport@udigny.org. So let's begin. During this presentation, we will cover understanding what a service area map is and its importance, learn who can access the service area map, learn how to access the map using Exactix, learn how to import shapefiles, and know where to find additional resources and assistance. So let's begin with what a service area map is and why it is important to be sure it is up to date and kept current. A service area map is the geographic information of a member's underground facilities, and it is an active layer within the ticket creation map. The service area map is what is relied upon to determine if your service area will be placed on the location request as an effective service area. If you are placed on the location request as an effective service area, you will then receive the location request for your delivery email or other electronic transmission setup. Your service area map should always be updated whenever your underground facility coverage area changes, and we highly suggest reviewing your service area map yearly. It is important to have an accurate representation of your underground facilities to protect them and the safety of those performing excavation work near your underground facilities. A member's mapping contact is responsible for maintaining geographic information of underground facilities for the service area. Each service area requires at least one mapping contact. Member managers and service area managers with an Exactix logon will already have the role and the permission for viewing and updating their maps. Managers will often elect to add one or two more mapping contacts to assist in managing the service area map. A mapping contact will need to have an Exactix account so they can maintain the service area map. To add the mapping role and permission onto an existing Exactix account, or to create a new Exactix account for mapping, member services will need permission from the member manager or the service area manager. At the end of this presentation, we will provide information how a member manager can contact member services to set up a mapping contact. Importing is used by members who have GIS software or a GIS company they utilize for maintaining their service area coverage. The GIS software will create file extensions that can be imported into Exactix to create a service area registration map. Files will need to be in shapefile format, must be buffered or a polygon. If the coordinate system is not NAT83 with lat-long projection, a PRG file must also be included in the upload, which will be used to translate the coordinates. Shapefile format A, shapefile consists of the following file extensions: SHP, PRJ, DBF, and SHX is optional. And please note, when updating an existing service area, the existing service area and the new areas need to be together in the shapefile. Some members may have separate shapefiles for mains and laterals or utility types. These would need to be combined. Only one registration version can be active. Once a mapping contact has created their logon, they will be able to begin the process. When importing, we suggest the mapping contact reviews the UDIG-NY mapping guide. It's important to verify they have the necessary shapefiles prior to importing. At the end of this presentation, we will review how to request a mapping guide. Let's get started by logging into Exactix. The logon page for Exactix can be found by entering exactix.udigny.org login into your browser. Once on the logon page, enter your username and password and click Sign In. After logging in, go to the left menu bar. Step 1. Click on the Service Areas tab located on the left menu. This view will list all your associated service areas. Some contacts have just one service area they manage, while others may have several. Step 2. Double-click on the name of the service area you are looking to review from the list view. Step 3. Click on the gray Registration tab located on the upper right side of the Service Area Profile page. On the registration page, you will need to add a new version of the service area map. So Step 4. Select the Add button on the right side of the registration line. The registration window will open. Step 5, select the option Import from ESRI Shapefile layer. This will open more information on the right side of the window. Next, you will need to select your shapefiles. Step 6, click on the green Select Files button. This will open the Windows file where you will locate and select the shapefile extensions you want to open in Exactix. Look over and choose your files. Remember, a shapefile consists of the following file extensions: SHP, PRJ, DBF, and SHX, which is optional. And just a note, if the coordinate system is not NAD83 with lat long projection, a PRG file must be also included in the upload, which will be used to translate the coordinates. Step 7, select the files you want to import. You can select all the files at once or repeat the steps for each file. To select files, you can hold down the Control or the Command and use your mouse to select each file. Step 8, once all files are selected, click Open to have the files opened in Exactix. Step 10, adding buffers. If uploading lines or points, enter the buffer in feet. There's a minimum of 200 feet to be applied to the shapes. Exactix will only allow a minimum of 200-foot buffer that will be applied to the shape once the import is completed. The field needs to be filled in. Please note, if you are looking for a smaller buffer than the standard 200 feet, you will need to add the buffer within the shapefiles. The minimum buffer you can have is 50 feet. Now that the files are listed and the buffer is filled in, select the Save button on the bottom right-hand corner of the registration window. The Files Uploaded window will open with the following message: the files have been uploaded to the server and have been queued for processing. You will receive an email when the processing has been completed. Click on the OK button. Depending on the file size, the processing may take some time to complete. The import is not complete until you receive the email and follow the steps listed. The email will come from tickets@exactix.udigny.org. Once the import has completed and is sent to the email address associated to the web user who uploaded the shapefiles. Once you receive the email, click on Here, which is a hyperlink, or copy and paste the web address in your web browser address bar. This will take you to the map view where you can look over the import changes. Things to remember: your import needs to include the existing areas and the additions or removal area. The solid red-pink color polygons is the existing service area and is staying. The blue polygons are being added to the service area map. The green polygons are being removed from the service area map. Step 11. If the changes look correct, select the Complete button located on the top left-hand corner outside the map to complete the import process. The confirmation window will open to confirm the map is ready to be submitted. Once you select the final Complete button on the window, the member support team will receive notification that a new registration version has been submitted and is ready for them to review and activate. If you do not select Complete, member support will not be notified and your map will not be activated. It is very important, if the map is correct and you are ready to select the Complete button, your import shapefiles is complete. If you received an error or failure during the import process, please review the previous steps and try importing again. If the issue continues, please contact the UDIG-NY member support team by emailing membersupport@udigny.org. You can find information such as manuals and guides, videos, and FAQs, and other support desks on our website by going to udigny.org and going to the resources, or by clicking on the myudigny.org at the top right corner of the website. Member Services is available for assistance Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. You can contact them by visiting myudigny.org and by selecting the Exactix support for member facility operators, or by calling 1-800-309-8289, extension 1, or emailing membersupport@udigny.org. Or if you are logged into Exactix by using our chat option in the bottom right corner. This concludes the member mapping using the importing method presentation. Thank you for attending. We hope today's training gave you a clear understanding of how to import shapefiles, and hope you have a wonderful day and stay safe. Thank you.